Space is already terrifying enough. Giant black holes, exploding stars, invisible dark matter, and galaxies colliding across billions of light years. But among all these known cosmic phenomena, astronomers have discovered something even stranger. Objects in space that scientifically should not exist at all. These are not science fiction theories or internet myths. They are real astronomical objects observed by telescopes, satellites, and scientific instruments. The problem is that many of them completely break our understanding of physics, gravity, star formation, and even the age of the universe itself. Some are too large to exist. Some formed too early after the Big Bang. Some emit impossible amounts of energy. And others move through space in ways scientists still cannot fully explain. One of the most famous examples is the supermassive black holes discovered in the early universe. According to current cosmology, black holes grow slowly over time by consuming matter and merging with other black holes. But astronomers have found gigantic black holes containing billions of solar masses existing less than 1 billion years after the Big Bang. Scientifically, there should not have been enough time for them to grow that large. Some of these ancient quasars shine brighter than entire galaxies. A quasar forms when matter falls into a supermassive black hole, heating up and releasing enormous radiation. But certain quasars discovered in the young universe appear far too massive and energetic for standard models of black hole formation. It is like finding a fully grown skyscraper only minutes after construction supposedly began. Then there are magnetars, one of the most violent objects ever discovered. Magnetars are neutron stars with magnetic fields so powerful they can literally distort atomic structures nearby. Their magnetic strength is trillions of times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. If a magnetar came within even a few thousand kilometers of Earth, its magnetic force could potentially disrupt atoms in human bodies and destroy electronic systems instantly. What makes magnetars truly terrifying is that scientists still do not completely understand how such extreme magnetic fields form naturally. Even among neutron stars, magnetars are considered bizarre cosmic anomalies. Another mystery involves rogue planets. Normally, planets orbit stars because gravity keeps them bound inside solar systems. But astronomers discovered giant planets drifting alone through empty interstellar space with no parent star at all. Some of these rogue worlds may have been violently ejected from their systems by gravitational chaos. Others may have formed independently in ways scientists do not fully understand. Imagine entire planets wandering endlessly through the darkness between stars, frozen and invisible except for faint heat signatures. Then comes one of the strangest discoveries ever made: stars orbiting impossibly close to black holes. Near the center of our galaxy lies Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole of the Milky Way. Around it, astronomers observed stars moving at incredible speeds under extreme gravity. Some stars orbit so close to the black hole that, according to earlier models, tidal forces should tear them apart completely. Yet, somehow, they survive. These observations forced scientists to rethink how stars behave near extreme gravitational environments. Even more disturbing are objects called dark galaxies. These are suspected galaxies containing enormous amounts of dark matter, but very few visible stars. Normally, galaxies glow because of billions of stars emitting light. But dark galaxies appear almost invisible, detected mainly through gravitational effects. It suggests parts of the universe may contain massive hidden structures humans cannot directly see. And then there is Tabbys star, one of the most debated stars ever discovered. Astronomers noticed its brightness dimming in highly unusual patterns, unlike normal planetary transits. Some theories suggested giant clouds of dust. Others proposed shattered planets or comet swarms. The reason this star became famous is because for a short time, even scientists considered whether an advanced alien megastructure could explain the strange dimming behavior. While natural explanations remain more likely, the fact that real astronomers briefly discussed artificial structures around another star shows how unusual the observations truly were. Another impossible object is the supervoid structures discovered in deep space. Some regions of the universe contain gigantic areas with far fewer galaxies than expected. These cosmic voids stretch hundreds of millions of light years across. According to some cosmological models, structures this large should not have formed within the known lifetime of the universe. There are also giant structures like the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, one of the largest known structures in existence. It spans billions of light years across space. The shocking part is that according to the cosmological principle, matter in the universe should become evenly distributed at such enormous scales. Yet this gigantic structure exists anyway, challenging assumptions about how the universe formed after the Big Bang. Perhaps the strangest objects of all are fast radio bursts, also called FRBs. These are incredibly powerful bursts of radio energy arriving from distant galaxies, lasting only milliseconds. In that tiny fraction of time, some FRBs release more energy than the sun emits over several days. Scientists still debate what creates them. Possible explanations include magnetars, neutron star collisions, black hole activity, or entirely unknown astrophysical phenomena. Some FRBs even repeat in patterns, making them even more mysterious. What makes all these discoveries so fascinating is that they reveal something deeply important about science. The universe does not care about human expectations. Every time scientists believe they understand cosmic laws completely, space reveals something new that forces physics to evolve. Objects once considered impossible later become major scientific discoveries. Black holes themselves were once dismissed as unrealistic mathematical ideas. Today we have photographed one directly. This means the universe may still contain phenomena beyond current human imagination. Some scientists even believe unknown forms of matter, undiscovered particles, or entirely new physics could be hiding behind many of these cosmic mysteries. The deeper humanity looks into space, the stranger reality becomes. And perhaps that is the most unsettling truth of all. The universe is not becoming simpler as science advances. It is becoming more mysterious. Behind every answer, space reveals something even more impossible waiting in the darkness.